Okay guys, right here is the finished product of the KX60 build. This is what it looks like. Still a little bit rusty, but this is what it looks like. No, I'm just kidding guys. I just bought a new dirt bike. It's a KX60, same exact bike as the one I'm rebuilding. So just bought this. I'll give you guys a good look around right here. Same exact situation. Spray painted black like the other one. Except the guy didn't just, he at least like took off the stuff and spray painted it. So like as you can see right here, the frame used to be green. Jeepers, the bike is falling down. Okay. So frame, what used to be green was spray painted black. Plastics used to be green, spray painted black. Missing that front plate, missing the radiator shroud cover thing. But the good news is it runs. And I mean, yes, everything's painted, but it runs. So it's dirty, but at least like the guy didn't go and paint the engine. One thing I gotta say with the engine right there, that is all JB Weld. So engine is heavily JB welded right there. I am gonna fix that. And I am gonna try to fix this whole black gas tank and plastic situation. But other than that, I mean, the bike runs, so it's not bad. I got it from a friend from church. Go check down in the description. He has a YouTube channel. He races motorcycles and stuff. He's the guy I bought this bike from. Go check him down. I'll leave a link to one of his videos in the description. You can go check out his channel from there. But he didn't like touch this bike. Everything that was here was from the guy that he bought it from. But I don't know the year yet. I'm gonna find out. But I'll show you guys a video of it running in just a second. But man, another KX60. Like, I have two KX60s and a CRF 150 RB. What am I gonna do with all these bikes? But I'm not gonna be fully restoring this one. I may just like try to clean up the plastics, clean up some of that. I may try to strip the frame, but I don't know. I mean, the shocks weren't painted. Like, it's not as bad as mine, except for like cracked plastics, missing plastics, and then oh, one more thing. Right here, this thing is cracked. You guys can't really see it too good right there. That's cracked. It kind of looks a little dirty, but like a pressure washing will shine this thing up. But I'll get you guys a video of this thing running. There it is. It runs. I may need to clean the carburetor a little bit, maybe adjust air fuel, but inside is pretty dirty. Pressure washing will clean that up real quick. I don't see an air fuel screw. If this doesn't have an air fuel screw, that would be kind of disappointing, but yeah. This is a bike. I am gonna try to clean this thing up. I'll be showing you guys, you YouTube guys, all of the process. The seat has a little rip in it. Seat was painted. Man, I don't like when people paint bikes black. So if you have a dirt bike, don't paint it black. And if you're gonna paint it, please paint it right. Because like this is what happens. Like you can see all the imperfections. The gas tank has green all over it. Frame, you can see right there. If you're gonna paint it, like, please paint it right. So at least like my build, I'm not painting it black. I'm painting it like good, nice colors. But anyway, this is a bike. Tires hold air, except this front one. This front one holds air, but it's a little flat. Need to pump that one. It looks like this fork seal has been leaking buckets of stuff, so need to fix that. Brakes aren't touchy, but they work. So yeah, this is it. I will keep you guys updated on what I'm doing to this bike. And yeah, stay tuned. Guys, there's a problem. I was pressure washing and the JV weld came off, and so yeah, that's not fun. I'm gonna have to fix that.